What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Dude's Tech. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best snow cone machine options to help you beat the heat and enjoy refreshing shaved ice treats at home or at your next party. From quick operation to creative flavor combos, we've got the coolest picks lined up. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the StrongBear Snow Cone Machine. The StrongBear Snow Cone Machine is designed to bring refreshing shaved ice treats into everyday life with speed, simplicity, and convenience. Built with an upgraded motor and sharper blades, it can effortlessly shave through an entire ice block in under a minute, producing soft, fluffy, snow-like ice that is perfect for a variety of chilled creations. One of its key strengths is versatility in ice preparation. There is no need to worry about ice shape limitations, as both cylindrical mold ice and standard cube ice can be used. The package includes 2 reusable plastic ice mold cups, along with a glass goblet and a non-slip mat, providing everything needed to start making snow cones and frozen treats right away. Ease of use is central to its design. The machine requires no complicated assembly and is ready straight out of the box. With a simple press of a switch, the shaving process begins instantly, turning ordinary ice into finely textured snow that can be used for desserts and drinks in seconds. Cleaning is also made straightforward. Apart from the motor unit, all removable parts can be rinsed with clean water or placed in a dishwasher, making maintenance quick and hassle-free. Its compact size, 7.68 inches wide, 7.36 inches in diameter, and 12.2 inches tall, allows it to fit easily under counters or inside cabinets, making storage simple when not in use. Crafted from durable, high-quality materials, the StrongBear Snow Cone Machine is built for repeated and long-term use. It is suitable for frequent occasions, such as summer gatherings, birthday parties, barbecues, or casual evenings at home or in the office. It can be used to prepare snow cones, slushies, smoothies, and even creative cocktails, adding a refreshing touch to any event. StrongBear Snow Cone Machine is a practical addition to any kitchen or party setup, combining efficiency and convenience for enjoyable frozen treats throughout the year. Coming in at number 4, we have the Qibox Snow Cone Machine. Qibox Snow Cone Machine is a versatile 2-in-1 appliance designed to bring fun, creativity, and convenience into your kitchen. Combining a snow cone machine and smoothie blender in one, it allows you to easily create shaved ice, refreshing cocktails, protein shakes, baby food, and more, making it suitable for home use, parties, and social gatherings. Powered by a strong 700-watt high-performance motor, the machine delivers fast and efficient ice crushing and blending. Its durable stainless steel blades are built to handle a variety of ingredients, including frozen fruits and ice cubes, ensuring smooth and consistent results every time. For the best performance, it is recommended to use ice cubes around 1 cubic inch in size, which helps produce finer shaved ice, improves blending consistency, and reduces strain on the motor for long-lasting use. Operation is simple and user-friendly, featuring tool-free assembly and an easy knob control that starts the machine instantly. This makes it convenient for anyone to use without complicated setup or technical steps. Designed to inspire creativity, the Qibox Snow Cone Machine opens up an endless flavor playground, allowing users to experiment with different drinks and frozen treats. It also comes with recipe suggestions featuring dozens of options, helping you explore new ideas effortlessly. Beyond personal use, it is also a great tool for social entertainment. Families can enjoy parent-child interaction by making fun fruit ice creations. Friends can gather for DIY cocktail smoothies during afternoon tea, and it becomes a highlight at birthday parties and celebrations. It helps turn ordinary moments into enjoyable shared experiences. Cleaning is also made easy, as most parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, or can be rinsed with water. However, the main unit should not be immersed in water, and care should be taken to prevent liquid from entering the motor base. Overall, the Qibox snow cone machine is a practical and entertaining addition to any home, offering both functionality and fun in one compact design. At number 3, the Polar Blast Snow Cone Machine. The Polar Blast Snow Cone Machine is a powerful and efficient electric ice shaver designed for making high-quality shaved ice desserts at home, parties, and events. Built with a strong 1/4 HP motor operating at 1420 RPM, it is capable of crushing up to 500 pounds of ice per hour, making it ideal for both personal and commercial-style use. At the core of its performance is a heavy-duty stainless steel hopper and sharp blades that ensure fast and consistent ice crushing. Whether preparing snow cones, frozen drinks, or creative shaved ice desserts, the machine delivers fine, fluffy ice texture that enhances flavor absorption and presentation. Its durable yet lightweight construction allows for easy handling and long-term use, while also being simple to clean after extended operation. Safety is a key feature of the design. The machine includes a motor reset button to handle ice jams efficiently and a built-in safety switch that prevents operation if the plunger is not correctly positioned in the hopper. This ensures safe usage during busy preparation times, especially at gatherings or events where continuous operation is required. For everyday convenience, the Polar Blast Snow Cone Machine is designed for stable countertop use. Non-skid rubber feet keep it securely in place, reducing movement during operation. The ergonomic handle provides comfortable control, even during long periods of use. Additionally, its acrylic side panels are both food-safe and easy to clean, maintaining hygiene while offering durability and visibility during operation. Overall, the Polar Blast Snow Cone Machine combines power, safety, and ease of use in a compact design. It is well suited for anyone looking to quickly produce large quantities of shaved ice treats with consistent quality and minimal effort, making it a practical addition for home kitchens, parties, and outdoor events. In the second spot, we have the Nostalgia Snow Cone Machine. The Nostalgia Snow Cone Machine brings the classic joy of shaved ice treats into your home, making it easy to enjoy refreshing snow cones anytime. Designed with a durable plastic body and stainless steel cutting blades, this machine efficiently shaves ice cubes into soft, fluffy, snow-like ice in seconds. The precision-cut blades ensure quick performance, helping you prepare multiple servings without delay. Perfect for gatherings and celebrations, this snow cone machine is a great addition to birthday parties, BBQs, dinner parties, and family events. It adds a fun, interactive element where guests can create their own colorful and flavorful ice treats. Whether it's a hot summer afternoon or a festive occasion, it delivers a cool and enjoyable experience for everyone. The machine is designed to be compact and countertop-friendly, making it easy to place on a kitchen counter or small table. Its portable size allows you to serve snow cones in different settings with convenience. A built-in safety switch is also included in the shaving mechanism, helping ensure safe operation during use. It is fully compatible with all Nostalgia snow cone kits, including flavored syrups, cones, straws, and cups. This allows users to customize their snow cones with a wide variety of flavors and serving styles, enhancing the overall experience. Inspired by vintage American design, the Nostalgia Snow Cone Machine reflects the brand's commitment to combining timeless style with modern functionality. It captures a sense of classic fun while delivering practical performance for everyday use. With its simple operation and efficient ice shaving system, it brings the familiar charm of old-fashioned snow cones right into your home kitchen. And finally, at number 1, we have the Cuisinart Snow Cone Machine. The Cuisinart snow cone machine is a fun and efficient way to enjoy refreshing frozen treats at home, perfect for warm days, parties, and family gatherings. Designed with a professional motor and blade mechanism, it quickly transforms regular ice cubes into finely shaved ice, ideal for making snow cones, slushies, frozen lemonades, and even creative adult beverages. Built for convenience, this snow cone maker is easy to assemble and operate. Users simply add standard ice cubes, flip a switch, and watch as the machine produces soft, fluffy shaved ice in seconds. It works seamlessly with simple syrups, fruit juices, or drink mixers, allowing endless flavor combinations. Recipe ideas are included, making it simple for beginners and fun for kids and adults alike. The machine features thoughtful design elements that enhance safety and usability. Its interlock safety system ensures secure operation, while the pull-out serving tray helps collect shaved ice neatly. Two fold-down cone holders add extra convenience and can be stored easily when not in use, helping keep your kitchen organized. Speed is one of its strongest qualities. The machine can produce enough shaved ice for 4 to 5 snow cones in under a minute, making it suitable for both small treats and party servings. It comes with accessories including 4 reusable plastic cones and 12 paper cones, so you can start serving right away. Compact and lightweight, the Cuisinart snow cone machine fits comfortably on most countertops and can be moved easily for events or outdoor gatherings. Whether you're hosting a summer party or simply craving a cool homemade treat, it delivers quick, tasty results with minimal effort. Blending convenience, speed, and versatility, this snow cone machine turns ordinary ice into enjoyable frozen creations in moments, bringing a refreshing experience to any occasion. Ready to chill out and enjoy some sweet shaved ice? Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Dudes Tech for more cool home and party gear.